This is the latest version of the plan. Full stop new line. These are the minutes of the last committee meeting. Full stop new line. Sales have risen faster than expected over the last quarter. Full stop new line. I will give you a summary of the figures at the end of my talk. Full stop new line. Mr. Bond apologizes for not being able to attend the reception. Full stop new line. Full stop new line. Permission to develop the land must be gained in advance. Full stop new line. Dr. Clark would like you to phone her back before 3 o'clock. Full stop new line. Full stop new line. The design should follow the guidelines set out in the tender specifications. Full stop new line.